Hello, my project was to create a blog. I created the Smoky Valley Sports Network where I ran a blog, a Twitter account, and posted weekly interviews. So I used Blogger to create my write-ups that I would do before every game or meet. So here it is. I used pictures from Todd Dieterding. So before every wrestling meet or basketball game, I would basically just give my thoughts and write about the upcoming game. Um, so I was able to incorporate my Twitter feed and my interviews onto the blog, so everything is right here. So here's how the blogger would work. Just click on here. So I'd go in here and I would just write the game times, just about the games. I'd include pictures. I just post it every week for every game, and so people could look at that and just see who we're playing, what's going on. I would edit the layout of it. I added the Twitter feed in it and all my interviews. I used a lot of Todd Dieterding's pictures, which those are a big help to add some visual to the blog. Um, so I ran this Twitter feed where I would give score updates and game info. For 4 weeks I did that, and I'm still continuing to do it. This will allow people to stay up to date with the games, and if you're not there, you can see what's going on. I built up a pretty good following on Twitter, have 112 followers. I'd like to include just little funny pictures, so keep it a little more exciting. My most popular tweet was of the great Coach Alan Meyer, the GOAT. That was fun to do. So I did 4 interviews. They were mainly to get to know the players and coaches. I think that they turned out pretty well. I think people enjoyed them. It was fun doing them, and so yeah, those were a lot of fun to do. So I would set up 2 cameras, and I would just ask the athletes just 10 questions. So my project plan, I think I stayed pretty true to, because I just wanted to provide the weekly interviews, keep up with the games, do my write-ups, and I stuck to that every week. So I think I planned for this project pretty well. This is a fun project to do. I think it's something that the school needed. If I would do it again, I wouldn't make any changes, except maybe redo that first interview with Beck, because it just didn't have some of the stuff that my later interviews had, like the intro. But I mean, other than that, I think it went pretty well, and I had quite a bit of fun doing it.